Hi, my name is Nick Sestito, and I'm with BluePrint Automation. BluePrint's a case packing manufacturer. We do turnkey solutions for your case packing needs. Behind me is our newest innovation, our Spider 300V. That's a machine that can do products packed in a vertical and a horizontal fashion. This specific machine is packing at a counterflow application where products coming in and cases are going in the opposite direction. That's beneficial for you get an increased product rate. You also have the option, like I mentioned, to pack vertically, which is done with this new gantry system, as well as horizontally, which is where these Delta robots are going to place directly into the cases. The vertical application is able to do single and double case loading. So anyway, if you'd like to learn more about our solutions, please visit blueprintautomation.com. Specifically, this application is packing pizza baking crusts here at the Pack Expo in 2023 Las Vegas. Thank you for watching.